Tesla rival claims company, will not even make cars in 10 years. A Tesla rival's ex-CEO has made a shock prediction about CEO Elon Musk, stating that he believes he will abandon the production and manufacturing of electric vehicles altogether, eventually deciding to focus on robotics, SpaceX, or artificial intelligence. Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares said in an interview recently that he believes Musk will see no future for Tesla's EVs and will eventually bail on the development of them altogether, via Detroit News. "We can't rule out that at some point he'll decide to leave the automotive industry to refocus on humanoid robots, SpaceX, or artificial intelligence. Elon Musk will have left the automotive industry." Musk is no stranger to crazy moves or even speaking his mind. However, a prediction of this magnitude does not seem entirely accurate, especially considering that one of Tesla's biggest priorities currently is that of self-driving cars, something the company has devoted and invested billions of dollars and endless time to. Despite that, Tavares still believes Tesla will eventually phase out of the automotive industry altogether and will be beaten by BYD. He also criticized Tesla's valuation on the stock market, saying it was simply stratospheric. Stellantis changes its tune after Tavares steps down. The comments came as Tavares was promoting a new self-memoir. He finished with a shock claim that Tesla won't even be around in 10 years. Tesla's stock market value loss will be colossal because this valuation is simply stratospheric. "I'm not sure that Tesla will still exist in 10 years. It's an innovative group, but they'll be beaten by BYD's efficiency." Musk saw the story shared on X and said that Tavares has no clue, effectively dispelling the mentality that he could simply abandon such a crucial part of the company's product line and forget about the millions of people who have already bought the company's cars and invested into gathering data for its full self-driving tech. Musk is set to commit to Tesla for many more years in early November, as Tesla shareholders are set to vote on a $1 trillion proposed pay package from the company's board. It is likely the pay package will pass, as the previous 2 votes on a separate package were overwhelmingly approved. However, Musk's true concern is having enough influence with ownership to handle and manage the company's fleet of Optimus robots. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.